I'm sure that most of you will agree with me when I say that passive income is hands down the best type of income. Making money while you sleep 24/7 on autopilot. It is the best way to make money. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 7 proven methods that you can use to make some passive income online. But guys, before we get into this video, if you're interested in entrepreneurship and making money online, don't forget to check out my channel. I post videos just like this one every single day, teaching you guys new methods to make money online. So click that subscribe button, ring the notification bell to stay on top of any future uploads. And as always guys, you can see on your screen right now my #1 recommendation. I highly recommend checking that out when you finish watching this video. And I'll teach you how to make a full-time passive income online. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. So coming in at #1 guys is obviously going to be affiliate marketing. I preach this in every single one of my videos because it is hands down the best way to make money online now and for the foreseeable future, okay? Affiliate marketing is absolutely everywhere, and you're probably going to notice me mentioning it a few times in this video because it comes into pretty much everything. I'm not going to be able to go into too much detail about it in this video guys because this video will be way too long. There's so much to know about affiliate marketing. So what I highly recommend you do is check out my #1 recommendation. That will take you to this page right here, Legendary Marketer. This is affiliate marketing training, and it's very, very reasonably priced, guys. It's not one of these thousands of dollars training. It's very reasonably priced. I highly recommend checking this out if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. This is the best way to earn a passive income online. There are so many different ways to integrate affiliate marketing. I'll just show you a couple of ways right now, okay? So one website that we can use is Amazon, okay? Amazon is a huge place for affiliates. If you've got a huge following, they don't have massive commission rates, okay? They're about 7 to 8% on certain products. It varies with different ones. But yeah, every time somebody purchases through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission on whatever they bought, okay? Around 7 or 8%. That is what affiliate marketing is, guys, okay? It's selling other people's products, basically, and earning a commission for it. So it's nothing is going to be yours. You're promoting other people's products. So if you come down to the bottom of the Amazon website, you can click down here and become an affiliate. That's where you can get started with this one. You'll be surprised, all sorts of different websites have affiliate programs. Even websites like Target, okay? Target actually have their own affiliate program as well. And this is roughly the same, okay? Up to 8% commissions on popular categories. So same again, guys. You will promote Target's products to your audience. If they purchase something, you will earn a commission of around 8%. So these are examples of real life products, okay? Things that people are going to get like in their hands. But there are other things as well. You can use this website right here. This is ClickBank. These are all digital products, okay? They're online products. But with online products, you can earn huge commissions, okay? ClickBank has commissions of like 50, 60, 70, 80% sometimes, guys, okay? There's huge money to be made promoting online digital products. There's so much money to be made in general with affiliate marketing. And you'll see in this video, there's so many ways to integrate it. I'll get into that in the other methods later. But that is method #1, guys, affiliate marketing. Highly recommend it. Check out Legendary Marketer, go through their training. It will help you out so much, and you're gonna be starting to earn a massive passive income online. Method #2 is going to be creating an online course. Again, this is a great way to earn passive income, okay? Because once the course is made and it is online, you don't have to do anything. You just have to wait for people to buy it, okay? There's 2 different websites I'm going to show you today where you can put up your online courses, okay? The first one, it's the one I'd highly recommend, is Udemy, okay? So you can go through this website and see what other people are doing, but there are so many options available on here. You can click on the categories here and you can make an online course in absolutely anything. If you are skilled in something, you have a lot of knowledge about anything at all, you can teach people everything that you know with an online course. So as you can see, there's all sorts of stuff. Development, web development, making mobile apps, e-commerce, all sorts of things like lifestyle, teaching people how to do makeup, okay? You can do makeup tutorials. If you're a girl looking to make some money, you're really good at makeup, you can make tutorials about makeup, create an online course about that. If you've taken care of pets all your life, you can teach people how to train pets and stuff like that. There's so many opportunities on here, okay guys? It is endless. You can go onto these websites see what other people are doing and get creative, guys. If you're good at anything, you can create an online course and make some really good money for this. You can charge whatever prices you want. I highly recommend going through and having a look what other people are charging. This is in baht, by the way, Thai baht, because I'm in Thailand right now. So this is 450 baht. That's only like around $12 or something like that, okay? So some of the courses are cheap. You can charge as much as you want though. So this is the first website, Udemy. You can use this one, which I highly recommend you do. And the second one is going to be Teachable. This is pretty much exactly the same thing. You'll just put your online course on here. Again, you can come over to this website, teachable.com. All of these links will be in the description down below, guys, okay? I'll have them all in order of how I mention them in the video. So come on, go to the description after this video. First link there will be my #1 recommendation about legendary marketer, affiliate marketing. And then everything underneath that will be everything I show you in this video. So yeah, come on over to teachable.com, click on examples, and again, you can see what people are doing. There's all sorts of stuff. Again, guys, cooking. If you are good at cooking and baking, you can teach people how to bake cakes, how to cook chicken curry, whatever you want, guys. There's so many opportunities when it comes to creating an online course. And like I said, once it's online, it's gonna be there forever. So you can keep selling it. It'll keep getting sales over time, and you can make money while you sleep. And coming in at number 3 is going to be drop shipping. Okay, I'm not going to be able to go into too much detail about this one as well, because this is a huge business model with a lot to learn. This is probably one of the most difficult ones to get into, but there's a lot of money to be made here. If you don't know what drop shipping is, in a nutshell, guys, it is creating an online store and selling other people's products, but you're not going to be keeping any stock. Okay, so for example, you will find something for cheap on a website, let's say a phone case. Okay, you found a phone case on Alibaba for $1. You'll then sell that on your website, okay, list it on your website, your shop, for $5. Okay, every time somebody purchases it from your shop, you go to Alibaba, order it, and get it sent to your customer. People don't actually check around. Okay, they see something they like, they will buy it. They won't go looking around for cheaper prices. Sometimes they do, but trust me, guys, a lot of people don't, and that's how drop shipping works. That's how people make a lot of money with this. There's a few different websites that I want to show you for this one. You can use Shopify. Once you start looking into drop shipping, you're gonna keep seeing the same few websites. Okay, Shopify, eBay, and Amazon. Okay, these are the 3 biggest drop shipping websites. Shopify is the more advanced one. Okay, because you're gonna be creating your own website and your own online store. It is a little bit more complicated and a little bit more difficult, but it is made easy with Shopify, okay, because they have a really nice platform which makes it very simple. But it is still very difficult to get involved with, okay? I highly recommend getting some good solid training for dropshipping, okay? I'll have a link in the description down below for some training that I recommend, okay? Because this is very difficult. Trust me, it's very difficult to get into by yourself. You will need some training, trust me, guys. But yeah, once this is up and running, okay, you're gonna be making some really good passive income. People make millions of dollars every single year in passive income through drop shipping, okay? They build one successful online store, then they'll build another one, they'll build another one, and they've got a lot of online stores making them passive income, making millions of dollars every single year. A lot of people do this and use this business model. Takes a little bit of time to get into, but it is definitely worth it. Next up, coming in at number 4 is going to be creating a blog, okay? I've actually got a video on the channel teaching you how to create a website or a blog in under 10 minutes. I'll have that link in the description down below. It's a lot easier than you might think, guys. It is very simple to make a website or a blog. So this is an excellent example of a very successful blog, okay? This is Breaking the 1%. And this article on this blog is about how we made $104,000 blogging, okay? From this blog, he made, well, these two guys here, they made $104,000 in a single month just from creating a blog, okay? He goes through in detail. Okay, I'll link this in the description down below. He goes through in detail about everything that he did this month to earn $104,000, okay? A lot of it was through this. Look, they got $1,000 from ads, okay? That's not a lot, guys, okay? $1,000 from ads. There's not much income to be made through ads, but that's still a decent amount of money, okay? A lot of people will be happy with that from ads. But look, Again, guys, affiliate marketing. They made $102,000 through affiliate marketing in a single month just from this blog. Like I said, affiliate marketing is going to come into many of these methods that I'm showing you today in this video because it's huge. It is everywhere. Affiliate marketing is absolutely everywhere. Out of this $104,000 they made from this blog, $102,000 of that was from affiliate marketing alone. So guys, create a blog. It might take some time, or it is going to take some time to get your blog up and running and with real good traffic. Okay, that's going to take some time. You're going to need to learn about SEO and stuff like that. It will be quite difficult, but it's worth it in the end. As you can see from, I'm pretty sure these guys agree that it is definitely worth the hard work in the end. $104,000 in a single month. It is absolutely crazy. There's a lot of money to be made from creating a blog. So again, guys, find some training. I'll try to find a link. I'll put some links in the description down below to some training. Highly recommend you watch my video as well, how to make a website or blog in under 10 minutes. I'll link that as well. But get started, guys. Create your blog, learn about SEO, get some real traffic to your website, and start earning money through ads, through affiliate marketing. And as you saw, they had some other ways as well. Look, course sales and coaching. Okay, they've got an online course which I mentioned earlier. They made $740 from selling an online course. And they made $0 from sponsored posts this month, but that's another way to make money with a blog is through sponsored posts. So many opportunities to make money with a blog. Okay, a lot of money to be made. So guys, that is method number 4. Really nice way to earn some passive income because in the end, so once your website's up and running, if you go down here, guys, as you can see, payroll, they spent $11,000 on freelance writers, virtual assistants, and content editors. They do nothing anymore. They pay people, okay? They made $104,000 that month. They paid $11,000 of that money to freelance writers, so they didn't have to do any of the work, okay? Passive income for them because they're paying other people to write their blog, basically. So guys, that is method number 4. Alright, coming in at number 5 is going to be investing, okay? A lot of people are scared of investing. They don't know what to invest in and things like that. They think it's going to be difficult. They don't know how to do it. They're just scared of doing it. But guys, these days, it is a lot easier than you might think. There are plenty of apps out there just like this one, M1 Finance. I highly recommend checking this one out. I'll have a link for this in the description down below. They make it very simple, okay? They use this, as you can see on here. They have a mobile app, okay? You can do this on your mobile devices, on Android and Apple devices. They have an app for both. But guys, they use like a pie chart like this, okay? They make it very simple. You choose your stocks and your ETFs, okay? You will add them in. Once you've chosen like however many you want, you will then allocate certain percentages to those, okay? 10%, 20%, 50%, however much you want to invest into each one of those, okay? And then once you've done that, you will then put some money in, and the app will automatically invest every single day when the stock market's open. The app will automatically invest your percentages of your deposited money into those stocks and ETFs that you've got in your pie. Okay, so very simple how to do this. They've got a lot of training and stuff on their channel. They got a lot of videos that'll help you and guide you through this. I highly recommend checking the link in the description for this, coming to their website and learning all about it. Okay, you can click this button here, how it works. They've got some videos and stuff like that. They tell you about the pie that I just mentioned. They tell you about the investments and how to automate it using their app. It's very simple to do, guys, and it's a good way to make some passive income online, okay? Everyone knows investing is a great way to make passive income. And like I said, just people don't know how to do it. People are scared of doing it. But this app makes it very simple for you. So check this out, guys. Link will be in the description. Make some passive income with investing. Alright, we're nearly there, guys. This is method number 6. We've only got 2 more to go. So number 6 is going to be renting out your rooms, okay? You can rent out basically anything, okay? You can rent out your stuff even. You can rent out your cars, anything that you own. This microphone, I could find a website to rent this out. You can rent out absolutely anything. But what I'm going to be talking about today is using Airbnb, this website right here, to rent out your spare rooms, your holiday homes, your just spare homes, whatever you've got, guys, you can rent it out and make some really good money, because it's very simple. There's not much to do. You upload your room or whatever onto websites like this, Airbnb. I'm showing you this website because this is the one I use. whenever I'm traveling around, I always rent on Airbnb. I find you can find some really nice places on here. So nice way to make some money, guys. If you've got a spare room or something in your house, if you've got a 2 or 3 bedroom house and you live alone, rent out your room and make some money through it. You can do it daily, weekly, monthly, even yearly, however you want to do it. The problem is you have people living with you. If you're not interested in that, then you can use any of the other 6 methods that I'm showing you in this video. But guys, if you don't care, if you want the company in your house, it's a good way to do that, okay? You can have some people living with you, have some company, and you can make money as well. And like I said, there's not much work to it whatsoever. It's just having somebody live in your house with you. So guys, check this out, Airbnb. There's not much to say about this one. You can rent out your rooms, easy as that. If you're not interested, like I said, check out the other 6 methods that I've mentioned in this video. And last but not least, we're going to talk about YouTube, okay? The 7th method to make passive income that I want to talk to you about is YouTube. There are so many methods to make money on YouTube, okay? I've got a video telling you all about this in detail, okay? I'll link that in the description down below because I'm not going to go into too much detail because this video is already long enough as it is. I don't want to bore you guys. So I'm going to go through it briefly, okay? So one way to make money on YouTube is through AdSense, okay? Google Ads. Everybody sees that when you put up a video, when you watch a video, there's usually an ad. Unless you've got an ad block or something, you usually see ads on a video. And you can earn money through that, okay? If you've got a lot of subscribers and a lot of views, you know, the big YouTubers with millions of subscribers, they make tens and tens of thousands of dollars from YouTube AdSense alone, okay? They make tens of thousands of dollars just from ads, just from people seeing ads on their videos. They don't even have to click them, just from seeing it for a brief second. Even if they skip it, they're still gonna get a little bit of money for that. So Google AdSense, huge way to make money on YouTube. Also affiliate marketing as well. You might have noticed in every single one of my videos, I put an affiliate link, okay? My #1 recommendation for making money online, that is an affiliate link, okay? It helps, it's a win-win for everyone, okay? Because if you go onto this and you purchase something, I will earn an affiliate commission, okay? So I will make some money. But it is 100% legitimate, and it provide you with some great training on how to make money online yourself, okay? So it's a win-win. I make money and you will learn how to make money as well. So affiliate marketing, another huge way to make money on YouTube. You might have watched some review videos or something like that. You might have gone onto YouTube and searched for a phone. Like if you've got a certain phone, like I've got a Huawei P20 Pro. You might have looked into this phone, typed in Huawei P20 Pro review. Okay, there'll be a lot of videos, and in those videos, I guarantee they have affiliate links to that exact phone. Okay, if somebody buys that phone through their affiliate link, they will earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is huge on YouTube. And there are plenty of other ways to make money with it as well. Like I said, I've got a video telling you all about it on my channel already, so I'm not going to go into too much detail right now. But check that video out, watch it, and learn other ways to make money with YouTube. But the great thing about YouTube, guys, once the video is uploaded, it's going to be there forever. Okay, so your affiliate links will be there forever. You'll still be getting that Google AdSense forever. Okay, it's a great way to make passive income online. Alright guys, so there we go. Those are 7 proven methods to make a passive income online. Highly recommend checking them all out. I'll have links to everything that you possibly need in the description down below, so check that out once you finish watching this video. There'll be links to everything that you're interested in, whichever one you want to try. Okay, there'll be links for it. I highly recommend them all, but again guys, my #1 recommendation is always going to be affiliate marketing. That is the best way to make money online, and you can implement it into everything: blogs, YouTube videos, absolutely everything. So if you want some training on that, like I said, check out my #1 recommendation for some really good training at an affordable price. Okay, it's not one of these thousands of dollars things. It's a very affordable price. Check it out, top link in the description. So thanks for watching this video guys, and I'll see you in the next one.